let's look at the demo of Career Expert. So let me just start the application first. As the application is started and the link is there, so I will just copy this link and paste in one of the browser, and I will refresh. Okay, the application loaded. Now I can ask any question here and then I will get the response along with the roadmap if it's there. So let's say if I want to ask, I want to become a data scientist. Can you help me with the requirements? And you submit. On the backend, it is running local large language model. So it will ask this question to local large language model. It will take the text response and it will display here, as well as if there is a roadmap which is matching any of these keywords, it will just load that as well. So becoming a data scientist is an exciting career goal. And then the education, what education is required, what skills are required, what certifications are required, what are the soft skills required, what additional tips are there. And let's say this is the data scientist roadmap, which says you should start with mathematics and statistics, programming tools, data handling, machine learning, advanced machine learning, big data, and so on. Coming to, let's say, if I would ask skills, programming skill, it mentioned proficiency in more programming language like Python, R, and SQL. So let's say I would like to ask what level of proficiency in Python it is required. So this would be a follow-up question. Proficiency required. In Python for data scientist. Can you help me with that? So now it would answer specifically this skill and programming skill related question based on our previous asked question. So now it says, as a data scientist, you will need a strong foundation in Python programming. Here is the breakdown. So it's saying basic proficiency, then intermediate proficiency, and then advanced proficiency. And then it says tips to improve the Python skills. And again, the data scientist roadmap. So now let's say if I will go again and I will ask without specifying the data scientist, and I will just ask what is the level of math required for this job or for this role, let's say. And if I submit it, okay, so it has given for the data scientist. It already know we are talking about the data scientist, and it says you will need a solid understanding of the mathematics concepts and then the basic math, intermediate math, advanced math optimization techniques, advanced mathematics tools, and the improved skills. So let's say I want to change my mind, and instead of going for, let's say, advanced mathematics and data scientist role, let's look for the analyst role. uh, what about the analyst role, and how it is different from this one? So this role means we are referring here as data scientist, and analyst role we already specified. So let's see. So in this it says data analyst as a primary focus on analyzing and interpreting data against gain insight and information business decision. Here is a comparison between the data scientist and data analyst. So similarities, differences, key responsibilities, key skills, education, and tips to improve your skills. So let's say this is comparison between the two career paths, and let's say if I'm interested in, let's say, different question, I want to become an NLP expert. Guide me on that. So, becoming an NLP expert is fascinating career path. I will provide you with the comprehensive guide. So, it's stating what is NLP, why become an NLP expert, then the applications, then the step-by-step guide, what needs to follow, tips for and additional resources for the improvement, and this is the natural language processing a roadmap or the flow of the courses we want to take or the follow. Now let's say if I would say I want to become an software engineer instead of NLP expert. So it has given software engineering as an exciting career path. And then what is software engineering? What to become a software engineer? Then and type of the software engineers. It could be the web development, mobile app development, cloud computing, or the AI engineer. And the software engineering map as a roadmap. But let's say if I ask some question which is not related to the software data or the NLP, that is, let's say, out of these questions, and let's say I want to become a doctor. So we do not have a prepared roadmap for the doctor, so we will not get the image as a option, but we will get the generative AI response from the model, and it will guide us on the how we can become a doctor, or, someone can become a doctor. in our current application we are not taking any document, but in further versions we can improve, and we can add one more placeholder for the documents where a user can upload his resume or curricular vitae, and he can ask a specific question to his resume as well. So then, becoming a doctor, you need to know what is medicine and why to become a doctor, helping others, or the variety of specialization, or the constant learning. Then the step by step, like what are the basic requirements you need a degree from the college, as well as other things. So, and for this we don't have a roadmap, so we are seeing coming soon. It says, remember, becoming a doctor requires dedication, hard work, perseverance, with a strong foundation in science, critical thinking, communication skills, and well equipped with a successful and rewarding career. So these are the capabilities of current solution, but we can extend it further by adding the document support as well. Thank you all.